Right now, the development that has the whole world talking is ChatGPT. People from all walks of life have found innovative ways to use it, including a pizza chef in Dubai looking to serve up tasty new toppings.
A pizzeria like this one in Dubai isn't usually the first place that comes to mind when you think of how artificial intelligence is being used in businesses. But for Spartak Arutyoyan, the brand chef of Dodo Pizzas, AI technology is what's helping him think outside the box.
Customers really appreciate when you do something creative instead of just developing a new taste, a new flavor. The development itself can be creative and can be innovative.
As the restaurant opened its doors just a few months ago, Chef Spartak knew he was up against a lot of competition, but he saw an opportunity to bring something different to the table with the help of ChatGPT.
So there you go, 2 pizzas by ChatGPT. Both. Dubai is a melting pot of cultures and flavors and tastes, and it's really hard to combine it all in one product and make it special. I realized that I'm not capable of getting all these cultural nuances and make them work just by myself.
Using the chatbot to create a unique recipe for customers in Dubai, this was the result. A pizza representing a fusion of Arabic and European flavors.
Guess what? Both of these pizzas the recipes are made by ChatGPT.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
And Chef Spartak isn't alone. According to investment firm UBS, more than 100 million people started using ChatGPT only 2 months after its launch last year. While the tool was developed to help with tasks that most would consider as time-consuming, like research and data analysis, businesses in all sorts of industries are now using it to their advantage. Researchers at PwC say that by the year 2030, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy. That's more than the current output of China and India combined, according to PwC. But like all new kinds of technologies, there's still some concerns.
By far the most common question I get is, am I going to lose my job because of this technology? There will certainly be some jobs that disappear and there'll be other new jobs created. But by far the biggest category will be jobs that are transformed. The key is going to be looking for ways to complement what you're doing rather than to substitute for it. ChatGPT and the other large language models generate the answers on the fly, and different times you use it, you'll generate different answers. But you also have to be very careful that what it generates is not always completely factual.
That's why Spartak is taking most answers he's generated from ChatGPT with a pinch of salt. From optimizing operations to delivering personalized customer experiences, businesses in all kinds of industries around the world are continuing to take a slice out of the proverbial AI pie just to stay ahead.